Henry Ford established what we call as, in organizational terms, a a production line. So the vehicles that were being, Henry Ford is known because एक समय ऐसा था जो जो फोर व्हीलर्स, जो ऑटोमोबाइल होते थे, कार्स होते थे, दे वेर अनअफोर्डेबल बाय common individuals, and it was highly expensive. It was very expensive. It was Henry Ford who was the first individual to cut down the price and manufacture vehicles which were, in terms of its price that was there, it was quite price, it was very competitive. And the reason that he was able to do that was because he had established an assembly line. He did what? He had established an assembly line. And in that assembly line, the vehicle that was being manufactured, that vehicle, the whole, everything was not being done by one individual. And in the assembly line, there was number of individuals who were responsible for only part of the job of the automobile manufacturing, only one part of it. Like there would be an individual who would be responsible for only doing what? Only fitting the engine in the chassis. The second individual may be responsible for only fitting the tires in the chassis. The third individual would be responsible for maybe some part of the interiors of the vehicles, and so on. Now, because everyone has one specific responsibility, पहले क्या होता था, पूरे कार को मैन्युफैक्चर करने के लिए, यानी जो भी नेसेसरी टास्क है, स्टार्टिंग विथ small to the larger job, was being done by one individual. So now that was inefficient. But Henry Ford found out that if we divide the work and create a production line where every individual is made responsible for one part of the job rather than doing the whole job by themselves, what will be the result of it? The result of it would be that this would result into more efficiency. And he observed that, and that is what he found out, that yes, this is going to cause more efficiency with which how the organization is performing. And what was the result of that? The result of that was that ultimately, because of the specialization that was achieved, efficiency and the manufacturing cost of the vehicle was very drastically cut. That is the reason why I took the name of Henry Ford in the very first principle division of work. Okay.